Hey guys, in today's video, I'll be showing you how you can find and delete all viruses on your iPhone. So if your iPhone is acting strangely or you think it may have a virus, there are several steps you can take to find and remove potential threats and restore your device. So the first thing that you should do is to clear Safari website data. You want to open the settings, and then you want to scroll down to the bottom, and then click on Application, and then click on Safari. Now you want to scroll down and tap on the Advanced section. And finally, click on Website Data. So this section contains data downloaded from website you have visited, including potentially malicious website data. Now you want to click on Remove All Website Data to clear everything. Next, check the Files application for suspicious downloads. Go to the application library and open the Files application. Tap on My iPhone and then Downloads, and look through your downloaded files for everything suspicious or unfamiliar. If you want to remove everything in the download folder, click on the three dots in the top right corner and then click on Select. Tap on Select All and tap on Trash icon. These removes downloaded files that could potentially contain unwanted content. Next is to update your iPhone. So you want to return to the settings and then click on the General and then tap on Software Update. You want to install any available iOS updates, as updates often include important security patches and bug fixes that help protect your device. Next, restart your iPhone. You want to press and hold the volume up button and the side button. Slide to power off your iPhone and wait for a few seconds, and then turn it back on. A restart can often resolve temporary software issues.